Hi you guys, so in this video I basically just do some cleaning and organizing, just getting stuff together. Okay, yeah, that's basically it. Quick little video doing that. I hope that you guys enjoy it. So tell me why I leave my house, I go ship off my orders. I was semi-rushing, so I get why I didn't do what I was supposed to do. But y'all, I dropped my orders off at the post office, right? Let me go ahead to Dollar Tree and do what I gotta do. I'm in Dollar Tree, right? I was supposed to make a list of how many containers I needed so I can get the accurate amount. Did I do that? No. So I'm about to go in here and just spend unnecessary money, not knowing exactly how many containers I need. Hopefully I get enough. Hopefully I don't get too many. Like, I don't know. We got a lot of organizing still, okay? So y'all, I just bought, I think, like 14 containers. I'm not sure if that's enough. But y'all see, I literally just went in there picking up stuff. Excuse how I look. I just got out of the shower. Like, literally, just got out of the shower. I was like, let me go ahead and film this clip real quick. So I got the 2 V-Day boxes. V-Day is finna be over, okay? So I'll probably end up just using these next year. I don't know. I'm trying to debate if I want to keep the bundle up there. I might just separate it. And then I got 2 microfiber scrubbers. Just like this. It just got blue. They didn't have any pink or anything. But like I said, once I move, then I'm gonna really like, you know, color coordinate, get everything looking right, have pink and white stuff. But I just got this for right now. I have a lot of containers. I just have a lot of stuff that I have to wash and clean. This will be strictly for my business products. The spoons that I get for my 30-pound bucket of gloss, it's easy for me to just scoop it out with this. Then I got a thing of spoons, mixing. Then I got this silicone spatula. I got this strictly for my body butter. If y'all watched my other vlog and y'all saw the big bowl that I had, it was kind of hard to like scoop it up with just like a regular spoon. I did use a spatula that we had, but I was like, I'm gonna get one strictly for my business. And I got 2 things of paper towels, always need these. That's the measuring spoons and cups, because my business will not be small forever. It won't be. It won't be. I've been making lip gloss since 2018, right? So I know what I'm doing. Basically right now, I just eyeball everything. I know how I want my consistency to be. I just know how everything works. I won't be the one making the lip gloss forever. I'm gonna have workers. So I got this so that I can start taking measurements and write it down and stuff, so that when my business does become huge and I have to hire people to make the lip gloss, they'll know what they're doing and they'll do it the right way. Because it's kind of hard, you know, teaching people when you don't have a formula. So I'm gonna come up with the perfect formula using these measuring cups and stuff, and write it down, and then once I grow, I'll be able to teach people the correct way. The last thing that I bought was all these containers. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get these cleaned. These are my new sleeve tubes, 10 ml. They just have silver tops, really pretty. I'm trying to release these next week, last week of February. So we gotta go ahead and get them clean now. Let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. So much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes. Y'all have about 600 and something more tubes to wash. I think I'm gonna let these sit for about probably 2 more hours. I'm gonna take them out and get them ready to air dry. And then I'm gonna put these in. So these tubes right here are all of my like clear top tubes. We're gonna have 2 squeeze tube options available for wholesale fill. I'm hoping that the silver top tubes are dry by next week so I can go ahead and release them. But I just made a post on my Instagram like introducing them to my followers and stuff. I actually want to get rid of this brown box, so I'm gonna take everything out of here and see how I can like make it look neat. I have a whole bunch of bags and stuff, and then these came when I was using the black wine tube. I reuse all this. There's no point in throwing it out when I can reuse it. Then I got all these boxes for free off of USPS.com. You can get you some too for free. Just go on USPS.com and get the ones that you would like. I did order 50 more USPS boxes, but it's a different size. So this is large, medium, and small flat rate boxes right here.
Time to shine, show me what you can do. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby, I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time.
Okay, so I actually think this looks better. What y'all think? Yeah, this looks way better. So now I just have to figure out what I'm gonna do once the other boxes get here. But yeah, this definitely looks better. This is my little shipping box station. You got the peanuts, bubble wrap, no more boxes. Okay, so literally what I'm about to do is take all these and put them in these containers. It's honestly easier to have them in the containers because like this is open. And have them in there, they'll just fall out.
I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine, show me what you can.
And these are called decals. Or you can just put in nail art. And something like this should pop up.
The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling.
I honestly don't know if I'll ever use all of these. I just bought them for Christmas because they had the peppermints in them and that's what I needed for one of my glosses. I'm gonna be honest, some of these look real cheesy, so they may not get used. I may actually, you know what? I just thought of something. I'll probably give some of these away. Like, let's say I don't use these ones. I will give this whole thing away. Yeah, that's what I probably do. Put these in the giveaway. Make sure you're subscribed. Once I reach 10K subscribers and 30K followers on my Instagram, I'm going to be doing a huge giveaway. I'm going to be giving away a bunch of stuff that I don't use, that I know someone else would love.
I'm being so dramatic. I'm always being so dramatic. This town is quiet when it's late. This town is quiet.
That is done. Now I don't have to worry about these falling out in that bag. Throw all this out. It is the next day and I'm currently rinsing the tubes out. Put them in here for right now. But I'm gonna set them on my table tonight to like really dry.
inside until you tell me to stop. I'm being so dramatic. I'm always being so dramatic. This town is quiet when it's cold, yeah. This town is quiet. Sadness, I can see the moon. I know that I'll be fine here. Things get complicated.
I'm finna go ahead and start transferring everything into our new containers. So as y'all can see, this is in this bowl. So I'm about to just transfer it.
Sadness, I can see the moon. I know that I'll be fine Sadness, I can see the moon. I know that I'll be fine here. Things get complicated, but I know we'll be alright. You will tell me I'm wrong, but I know we are strong. Sadness, I can see the moon. I know that I'll be fine here.
All the containers have glosses in them. I am done. So I have some unscented with oils back there and some right here. And then I have lip scrub. And then I have some Bliss and Glam collection glosses. And then my regular glosses right there. I'm out of containers. So I have to go to the store and get some more. Once my old containers get empty, then I'll buy new ones for those also. But this is what we have right here. New containers. Okay. Now I'm about to start washing my clear top tube.
I am looking for you, my love. I don't like it when we're fighting, 'cause you always make me cry, yeah. I'm diving in the deep blue. I am looking for you, 'cause you're the one I want. Yeah, you're the one I love. All this fussing and fighting just drives me crazy, but you know I'll do anything for you, baby. 'Cause you're the one I want. I'm driving in the moonlight. I am looking for signs tonight. I'm driving in the moonlight. I am looking for signs all night. I just wanna see you strike cars. You are everything I need, love. I'm driving in the moonlight.
So I'm gonna end this vlog right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you follow my social media accounts. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.